Alright, we're at the Magic Kingdom. Time to head in and let's see how Tron is coming along. They recently just changed the menu here. I think lunch and dinner menu at the plaza. So let's see how it's changed. The hostess just asked for Bueller. All I want to know is, do they still have the breakfast and the steak and eggs for breakfast? See anything on there you like? And they just raised the price of the Tomorrowland Terrace Happily Ever After fireworks dessert party. It's now $100 per adult because they added alcohol into it. What's everybody think about that? Leave comments please below. And they're currently still busy changing these. These used to be like a steampunk metal, like a flat piece of metal with holes through it, and they're changing them over to this. I like it. I think it'll go well probably with whatever they're going to do new in here. I'll see if I can find one that's actually finished and not covered. I think there are a few. And here's a finished one. There are a few of them right here. By the way, we're standing also right beside where Stitch used to be, or Alien Encounter, if you remember that far back. And the word is that that will be replaced with Wreck-It Ralph. It hasn't been made official yet, but that is the word right now, that's what will be happening with the refurb and additions of new rides to Tomorrowland. Not much has changed since the last time we were here. Still working on just enclosing the building. Can't see the track and where you'll spill out. This will all be covered in what looks to me, it reminds me of like leaves, big blue leaves, lighted leaves. So you're not going to see this building here, the show building. It's pretty much going to be for loading. Hey, while we sit here in the dark in Space Mountain, has anybody ever seen the book that Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow, that saying comes from? I'll show it to you. That also is the book that many believe that Walt used for his vision for Epcot.
So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station, our grand...
And Big Top Souvenirs remains closed after the fire they had. I think it's probably been a little over a month now. Hopefully that's going to reopen soon. And the Walt Disney World Railroad engine has now been moved from the main station to Fantasyland station. Hi there. Come in, you can have a seat, you can do pictures. Sometimes the engineers will even come up and chat with everybody about the train. But it sits here still until the railroad opens. They may move it at some point to another location, but right now it is at this one. Alright, here's a little better shot of the construction going on for Tron. This is back in by the Fantasyland train station on the line for Goofy's Barnstormer. See him up there, still working on the skin for this building. Alright, so they're already busy taking these light posts right here out of Tomorrowland. They left that one only because there's signage on it. Trying to find a couple areas here where it's chained off and they've begun to take them out.
Sorry.
You're fine.
Lunch bag?
Here's one right here. Here's one of them that they just removed. See the new concrete, or very dark concrete in its place. I'm curious to see what goes back in there. As you can see, City Hall is currently under a refurb. I think it regularly goes through this to keep it painted and looking nice. Alright guys, that finishes off another week of construction updates for Magic Kingdom. Thanks, we'll see you again here in a week or so.